The day trader comeback is back. Back from vacation. Working on like 4 hours of sleep. A little raspy, but that's okay. We'll get through it. Thank y'all for tuning into the Instagram. For anybody checking out that private island vacation, that was pretty sweet. Unfortunately, I couldn't really trade from there though. The other island that we had gone on had its own cell tower. This one did not, which made it a little tricky to log into some of these platforms. Now, let's see what we got moving here. So I haven't traded in about a week. I don't know what the market did, or if there were if there was any action, or if anything got a little exciting while I was gone. But it looks like eyes on NAOV. And let's see what this one's all about. Opening bell in about 7 seconds. Okay, maybe we can mess with this one too. ANTE. It's not front side yet. Boom, there's the bell. There's the bell. Let's see if this thing can power through 131 and then maybe like 140 here. Topped out at 154. 150 Tyson. Very excited to be back. Back with the markets, that is. Back with you guys. Sharing my journey. NAOV whipping back and forth here. I'm going to be patient. Oh, it's so nice having like... Even just trading one day without having multiple monitors is just so much more difficult. Buyer at 121 on ANTE. There we go. Ooh, NOAV. That was a little pump fake there. Pump fake on the fake breakout after that dip. Pressure under view offer ANTE. So drop a comment. Let me know how y'all did last week. I want to know. I want to know how the market was last week. I want to know how things were reacting. Did we have momentum? Did we not have momentum? We got a seller at 370 right there. 370 right here. Seller. Is it getting chipped? Yeah, a little bit. There we go. Nice. It says 200 moving average. Yes, it is. Oh, here we go. GLMD. GLMD. GLMD's nuts. Is it gonna halt up? Wow, what an open. Halted up. GLMD, let's go. Let's go. We got something to watch. All right, I'm going to focus on this one. This is front side. MACD front side, turquoise front side. That's a strong front side. I'm going to look for a beautiful dip and rip here. And, well, I mean, I won't be able to take full size on it, but we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. It's right at the 100-day moving average right now. Right at the 100-day moving average, right around 290. So we'll see. The next problem area could be... Of course, 3, but after that, really, we kind of got space until 350, 348. So where it topped out before. Let's mark that on the chart. And let's get prepared, son. Very exciting. Very exciting. All right. Where's this previous candle high at? 275. Okay. You know what? It's actually... 266 is the low of that candle. Ouch, that's 30 cents. Almost 30 cents. So we'll see what happens here. See what happens. Well, this was a mover, and then this thing just got flushed on. What's the news here? Gross. See, this is an example of a failed lower band. That's what happens when a lower band fails, and it just absolutely gets crushed. Nice bounce that one though. NOAV, what you doing there? Your level 2 is moving. This needs to go. Nice. There you go. You see that? See that signal show up on the level 2? This thing's gonna nasty flush though. Look at that. Another fake breakout and a nasty flush. You saw, I was on a different chart and I saw the level 2 speeding up faster, 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 faster. So I was like, oh, we got some action going on there. Went over there. It was spiking, and then once that spike wasn't holding, usually a nasty flush comes right after. And that is what it was. 20% candle move. Yikes. Don't like to see that. Don't like to see that. GLMD. I'm seeing you, dude. I'm seeing you. NOAV is going to be hard to trust after those 2 candles. That's the second time that happened on this one, and it happened on this one. Where it dipped, looked like the bulls were going to take over. It was going to go through 4 and then smash right down to VWAP. And then built up a little bit, built up a little steam, broke out 1 minute to make a new high, got past 415, and smashed down to 346. Ouch, that's nasty. I don't even know why I still have this chart up. We should look for probably something else. Hey, baby! What you doing? Alright, very similar to, it looks like a previous day we traded this. Marking out some levels here. VWAP at 104. Oh, yikes. What's going on here? Hold on. We'll let this cook a little more. We'll let that cook a little more before we get too excited with this. All right, GLMD should reopen in about a minute here. Ask is 317. Oh, that buyers ended up buying the whole thing up. It kind of took a little while though, but what is this? What is this? What happened with the Qs last week? Wait, we gotta focus. This thing's about to open. Bids at 305, asks is at 317. Let's go. Focus here. Focus here. Look for a dip and the rip. So first of all, see if it holds 3. Dips under 3, maybe we take the 3 break. If it dips under 3. If it just goes, I'm going to let it just go. Wait for an entry. And this, ooh, buyer at 105 on ACON. This little homie looks like you got a 10-minute. 10-minute halt for GLMD. All right. So we will continue to wait. They were granted a patent. Combination therapy treatment for liver disease. All them heavy drinkers out there. What else we got moving in the meantime? Let's see. One. Oh, I don't want it to roll over to 1, but let's see what happens. We shall see what happens. Issues there at 110. Not that I'm going to trade it, but I'm just mapping it out. There you go. Nice. It's not great. It only went to 114. But, you know, it's fun to map out those areas still. Uh-oh. Having trouble with this daily level here at 114. That was previously mapped from a different day we were trading it, looks like. Must have been a real long time ago. It wasn't recently. And it was a real long time ago. Like, like early 2024 or previous 2025. I'd have to look back even further. Actually, look, I can look right here. May of 2023. We were trading ACON. Interesting. Interesante, boy. All right. It's going to be the trade here. And GLMD, still got to stay focused on this. Resumption in a little over a minute. I'll say these bottom wicks keep getting bought up here, though. Look at that. There's one, there's two, there's... didn't fully get bought up there, but didn't flush either. Let's see if this thing starts to roll over or not. MACD's looking like it's starting to kind of roll over the top. All right, bid ask is at 310 for GLMD. What's the plan here? What's the play? What's the play? See if it looks like it's going to open over 3. So if it breaks under 3, I might have to take the break of 3. And if not, we just look for a dip and we look for the green to show us the way. Show us the way. Time of sales. Show us the way. All right, about 30 seconds. Ooh, what a way to welcome back from the week that I missed off for a dip and rip, huh? Ooh, ACON right at 1. That. Wait. Focus. Yeah, it's okay. A missed opportunity, but that's okay. All right, let's get focused here. 305 bid. Oh, that's just totally held 5. It held, or not 5-3. Held 3. All right, switching gears. Took a lower band over here on whatever the hell this stock is. What is this? ACON on that panic flush down. So, got in a little high, but that's okay. That's all right. We'll let this thing ride out the storm. Worst case scenario, we lose like $50. Actually, I'm gonna add there. There we go. Let's give me a small pop. Take half off the table, half risk, just in case it decides to nasty flush. Get these orders out of my way. I can't see. Oh, I only gave me a partial fill. Partial fill on that. All right, let's see. No pop. Break even trade. That's okay. That's all right. Happy to be green on the day back. That was the pop I needed. Oh, it's so annoying. 2,000 shares at 93 cents. That would have been a nice trade. That's okay. That's right. Looking for immediate resolution, and that was not it. But I could take another stab at this. But where at that point would it be? It'd be at like 105. GLMD. I had to switch gears from GLMD quick there. Divided by trace leches. Not much for me to work with on GLMD anymore, size-wise, but we'll see. So a lot of junk on the screen here, a lot of noise. A lot of noise. So, you know, maybe we take it over 1. Oh, here we go, GLMD. There we go. There we go. Sunshine and whiskey. All right, Akon. Akon and Young Jeezy. Trying to take it easy. Only way to go. If you're looking for me, I'll be on the block. I am a soul survivor out here. Surviving these trenches. Nah, I'm not going to mess with this thing until it gets over 1. And GLMD, you need to break 350 Tyson. Divided by 350. Could do it. Still could do it. So this was a backside panic flush. That was gross. Statistically, that's a gross trade, but that's okay. Need this to get tight up here near 350 and then go, boy. $335, $330. Akon trying to be a distraction again with his auto tune. $340. $348 topped out at. Down to 330 again, hands off the trigger, back over 340. The green volume is still leading the charge here on GLMD. For now, at least. That's going to be unless volume picks up, that's going to be a low red volume candle. So this could turn to green and this could move through 350. I'm going to keep this on watch here. This is the lowest red candle it's had so far. Let's get focused here. Let's get focused here. It's about equal red volume. New minute. Oi. Need VWAP to hold. Oh, that's unfortunate. Thought that was gonna go. Let's give it a little bit more time here. I'll cut this under 320 this time. Don't do it. Hold 320. Hold. Gotta go. Ah, it's unfortunate. Unfortunate. So this minute showed green right out of the gate. So because of these lower red candles, I thought that this was gonna go green. Oh man, look at this over here, Akon and Young Jeezy. That's all right. That's all right. You can't trade them all when you're in a low cash account. You can't trade them all. So that's what I was going with here. It was getting tight. You can see this range was getting tighter and tighter and tighter, with the red volume was getting lower and lower and lower. So I thought this one, immediately when this new candle started, we saw green on the tape. Boom! I hammered it. I hammered it with as many shares as I had left. And then unfortunately it went immediately red. Now it still did hold VWAP, so theoretically, if I wanted to hold to see if VWAP was going to hold, I could have done that, of course, but you know I didn't want to risk VWAP breaking, because if VWAP breaks, then you're looking at like one of those babies, and we're not looking at that kind of a red day. So red day to welcome back, and this thing very well could still go through that level. It's still getting, oh, here, pressure on VWAP, pressure, needs to hold. It very well could still go through, but again, this is another problem being in a low cash account, is look at how many opportunities we could have been shaken out the similar way we did here. And it's only really considered shaking out if this thing decides to rip past 350 at some point. If it falls down, then I would consider it a good L. So, but we stuck to our rules, so, and I'm happy with it. I held the trade a little too long, statistically speaking, but it is what it is. But thank y'all for being here. I'm so glad that I'm back from vacation. What happened to my level 2? Anyways, I'm out. Thank y'all for being here. Spread love. Let me know how y'all did last week, and I'll see y'all next time. Where's my stuff at? Peace.